Hi guys, it's Kinky with Cheese here and welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. If you just happen to stumble on my video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. If you want to know how I got this look and what products I used to get this twist, please keep on watching. So I'm starting with the tangled old hair. As you can see, my hair is dry and it looks crazy. Now we're going to get into the products I'm going to use today, the stars of the show. So guys, I'm back. This is the next day and yeah, I had like a couple of things to do. A couple of things came up, so I couldn't continue the video yesterday. But this is the next day. I didn't add anything to my hair. I only washed it with the fresh rinse and sucka free. Like I washed it with the sucka free moisturizing shampoo and fresh rinse moisturizing conditioner. So yeah, so right now I'm going to pack my hair up or clip it up and start dealing with the back. So today I'm going to be using Hairfinity revitalizing leave-in conditioner as my leave-in conditioner. Then I'll follow with the Doux mousse texture foam high definition control mousse. So I'm going to be dealing with the back of my hair. This one, travel. It's still damp for sure. Still damp. I'm going to spray a little bit of water. Then I'm going to take this, spray it on my hand. Then, oh, I'm not sure. This one should shake it. They said apply a liberal amount to wet hair, style as desired. Straight do, apply 1 to 2 pumps to wet hair before blow drying. I thought it was for coily styles, but I guess you can use it for straight styles too. Oh well. Oops, sliding down. Okay, that was going to be really thick, but it is sliding down. Okay, wow. I think I added too much pumps, but so good. Said apply a lot of pumps to the hair. That's what I'm doing. Oh my god. Okay, it's not bad. I don't expect it to define my coils or do anything crazy like that, although it is at least separating my coils. Don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, you can see it's good. It's let me try again. One pump. It's not really doing anything. That's why I am going to do twists with it, because yeah, it's not doing anything for my hair. I don't think if your hair is like 4C and kinky like mine, I don't know how it will react in the middle of my hair because it's more loose coiled, but for the back of my hair it's not doing what it's supposed to. I'm just going to twist and see how it looks.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one.
At this point, I added Italia Wajid coil cream because I just needed something to moisturize my hair and to keep it less frizzy.
I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
So we are back and this is how my hair is looking. Thick and juicy. And yeah, I'm just going to get straight to the point and pick my favorites out of the Doux line, the Doux product line. And my favorite has to be the sucka free moisturizing shampoo. It says it gently cleanses and hydrates with shea butter and sea silk, sulfate free, paraben free, and color safe. So this is my ultimate from this line because it cleans the scalp and it still hydrates the hair. You still have this strip feel. If you're used to all this moisturizing, it never says moisturizing shampoo, but it doesn't really feel like it. If you're used to the moisturizing shampoo, you know, when you wash your hair still feels like if it has conditioner or oils on it. I don't think you love this, but if you're down for deep cleaning, this is one you should get. My hair was hydrated, my curls were popping while I was washing my hair, which is a first for me, and a shampoo. So this is my best out of the line. Then the next thing I used was the fresh rinse moisturizing conditioner, deep hydration and smoothing with shea butter and silk, easy detangling, softens texture, paraben free. So they didn't put sulfate free here, so I'm guessing it has sulfate. Yep, it does. Only paraben free. This was my least favorite because I believe it didn't do anything for my hair. My hair didn't feel moisturized at all. It just felt dry. This was quite stripping, so I expected this to, like, you know, compensate for this drying your hair out, and this one being extra moisturizing, but it wasn't moisturizing for my hair. It wasn't. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this. I washed my hair, applied this on my hair, and I detangled. Thank God I detangled a little before I started washing my hair, because if you're trying to detangle with this, I don't think it's a good idea. You need to detangle first before you finally detangle with this conditioner. And then what I was, you know, anticipating to use, which is the Doux Most Def. The Doux Most Def texture foam high definition control mousse. As you guys will see in the video, I was kind of disappointed. And I'm going to blame myself because I know that what was I expecting? A mousse to work for my kinky hair. This is not like, this is kinky hair. Did it define my curls? Yeah, just a little. You see in the video, but I had to add like 4 pumps or 5 pumps to get a little ripple, not a coil. Yeah, I wasn't really feeling this. I had to at some point add my add Talia Wajid's coily curl cream to give it a little bit of oomph, you know, so my hair doesn't go dry. And I was disappointed. I was disappointed with this. I don't know, maybe I'll try it out again if I see the is it the curl and twist cream. I might try it out with the mousse def. Pro is that it didn't flake. I was expecting this and this to like give me some white stuff, you know, when it dries, but it didn't flake. My hair there's no flaking. It's kind of shiny. I don't know if it's this or this, but yeah, there's no flaking, and that's the good thing. That means it works well with other products, because I added this and I added the Hairfinity revitalizing leave-in conditioner. Yeah, and that's it for this review. Hair is definitely getting longer, which I'm happy, but I'm kind of sad because it takes time for me to twist my hair. It definitely needs a trim. I'll be doing that after
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on